What's up? Terry again, back with more BidPesa fundamentals. In this episode, we'll explain bid butlers, how they work, and how to assign bids to your butler. So, what's a butler? A bid butler, also called a bid buddy, is your personal bidding assistant, able to place bids on your behalf while you're away, whether in a meeting, a commute, or asleep, and ensuring you maintain the lead in an auction. It does this by bidding at the last possible moment before an auction closes to ensure you're the last bidder. Before we begin, let's make sure we have enough bids. Click on the hamburger menu and this will show us our bid balance. 4,400. Looks good. You can now go ahead and assign bids to your bid butler. Start by clicking on the auction you wish to bid on, scroll down to the bid butler section, enter the number of bids you wish to assign, and click Set Bid. Note the confirmation message, and that's it. All done. You can assign as many bids as you want, to as many butlers as you like, on as many auctions as you wish. 2 things to remember. Number 1. Bid butlers work at the last possible moment, ensuring you remain the last bidder. This means you won't see them bidding if there's more than 10 seconds on the clock. Number 2. Bid butlers are active so long as you have enough bids. Once your bids run out, your butler stops bidding and it can no longer participate in the auction. For example, if you have 100 bids and you assign your butler 50, once it uses 50 bids, it will stop bidding. Make sure you assign enough bids. And finally, assigning a butler bids doesn't deduct them from your wallet. Just like putting your money in different pockets doesn't change how much money you have, assigning a butler bids won't change the total number. This is just the amount you wish the butler to use on that particular auction. For example, if you have 100 bids and you assign your butler 50, but you then spend 70 bids on a different auction, then your butler only has access to 30 bids. For best results, ensure your manual bidding doesn't eat into your butler's assigned bids. To confirm the number of bids left on your bid butler, simply click on Your Bid Butler Settings. This will show all the auctions you've assigned bid butlers. From here, you can edit the number of bids assigned to your bid butler or delete it entirely to stop it from bidding. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and we'd like to thank you for viewing.